Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. I came in to show you guys the design that I made for the last video that I made about my polygel refill. So this is designs that I made. I want to apologize first of all, you guys, that I am so sorry. Sparingly, I will be out of focus. My hands will be out of the camera, but you guys can just see what I'm doing. You guys will be able to see what I'm doing, okay? So I just want to first of all apologize to you guys. So yeah, what I'm doing, I'm just laying colors right now. I'm laying different colors sparingly on my nails so that I can do effect of a 90s, a kind of 90s nail look. So I use all the polishes I'm using are gel polishes, so I do have to cure each one 60 seconds under my UV light. So that's what you guys seen me doing. I laid down a turquoise color, then I laid down a purple color, and now you see I'm laying down a yellow color. And like I say, you guys, I am just laying colors so that I can do my design. You guys are gonna see how it's done, but I just wanted to show you guys how I do my nails. And this is a 90s inspired look that I am doing right now. Okay, so yeah, you guys just gonna see me lay the colors. Y'all are gonna see me lay the colors. Y'all gonna see me put my hand under the UV light to cure each one of them 60 seconds so it can be cured as I go. Okay, so that's what I'm doing, you guys. So I want to take this time out to tell you guys, if y'all haven't subscribed to my channel, what y'all waiting for? Come on, be a part of the Makeup by Kwanzaa channel so that you guys will be learning unique techniques, the techniques that I learned or the things that I already know that I want to share with you guys. During this pandemic, I have to do my nails now because I had said previously, I don't know if y'all heard that the people that I used to let do my nails and I just designed them, they left abruptly. So I don't trust anybody else to do it, so I'm going to do it myself now. But the reason why I've been using polygel is because polygel is odorless and it doesn't smell up the house. But don't get me wrong, I love my acrylic, and in the future I will be doing acrylic nails back with you guys in videos. So I learned something new from these video footages that I did. I know that now I have to place my camera on top and my lights on top so that I can get good lighting and good focus and angle so you guys can see. But next time I do a nail tutorial, okay? And that's what I'm doing. Y'all see me taking them stripers that I'm using. They are gel polish. You must cure them 60 seconds when you lay them down. And I like to use all gel polish because it dries fast. Because you know, like the old school polish, y'all have to wait for it to dry so you do your next little design. So I just put it under my light, bam, let it dry, and then go on to the next design or whatever. So you guys are gonna see me do that, okay? And you guys, it's easy to use your own nails at home. You just gotta practice make perfect. And that's what I did. So, you know, a lot of people don't like polygel because some people don't like the forms. I don't use the forms. I don't even like forms because to me, forms break easy. They break easy. And I'm just used to putting me a tip. I use a nail tip. Just like if I'm doing my acrylic nails, I always apply my my tip. So if you guys are having trouble with polygel application, go ahead and use your tip. Put your tip on, glue your tip on, and prep your nails just like when you do acrylic. And watch, y'all gonna love this process, okay? Y'all gonna fall in love and y'all gonna want to keep it because it don't smell up your house, and it's a faster process to me than, you know, preparing all the wet stuff and then the powdery stuff and all that. You know, hey, It works for me. I'm just giving y'all my little technique to see if it could work for you guys. So yeah, let's get into this video, you guys. And right there, you guys, I'm just putting some of the polish right there so I can use my dotting tool to make my dots on my nails, as you can see. Okay, you're gonna see me dotting. And you guys, please, please, please forgive me for not being all the way in the camera. I wish I could just drag my own hand across so I know how y'all feeling. So I apologize. I apologize. I apologize. I'm so sorry. I'm going to do better next time, you guys. But I'm just using that dotting tool. Get it together here. Okay? And it's easy to put something down and instead of doing the dots directly from the brush. It gives you a nice round dot when you use a dotting tool. And you guys, you can always get dotting tools. I got that one from the Dollar Tree, baby. Our Dollar Tree done went up. Did y'all Dollar Tree didn't go up, girl? Our Dollar Tree. Shit, I was going up to $1.25, baby. Started Monday. So I guess it's cheaper than anywhere else still. But I don't know what's up with Dollar Tree. They wrong for that. They should have kept it $1. But I'm going to still be gone. Okay, you guys, so I didn't move to my other hand. And I am just going to stop rambling for a little while so you guys can see how I'm doing this. And forgive me, I will be in and out of focus, but you guys will get the gist of the design because you've seen the other one. So, all right, you guys, let's look at this video and see what's up. Okay, you guys, and I didn't tell y'all, but the polishes I'm using is from D&D. They're by D&D. I'll try to find a link to those polishes where you can get, like, you know, a cheaper brand of gel polish from that particular brand. I'm gonna see if I can find the link because I've been having these. But the stripers I'm using are gel liner stripers. I got those off of Amazon. It's by a company called Kuso. But anyway, they do really good, and it comes with like 12 or 24. Y'all had did a video on it, but it's 12 or 24 for like $30. But it's really worth it, okay? Now this one look like it's, one of them look black, but I'm using like a darker blue and a black. So it might look like two blacks, but it's not. One of them is blue, one of them is black. This one is black. I think the other one was blue. Like a navy dark blue. So you guys, I want to take this time out to tell you guys, if y'all haven't watched that video, I'm going to link it. Y'all, I don't have that much comments on that video. I need comments on that video so you guys can enter the giveaway. I have a little giveaway if y'all would watch to the end, but I'm gonna post that video. It's from my New Year's video, because when I post my first makeup look of the year, I'm going to announce the winner. So I want to have enough people to enter. Some lashes and things like that I mentioned that you can win from my my beauty store. I just like make up a little box for the winner and stuff like that. So yeah, y'all take the time out. Y'all always check my description. I got some links of videos that y'all missed out on or whatever, or what have you. Okay, I want to say thank you to my new and old subscribers. I always got to tell y'all, because without y'all, I wouldn't have this channel. Without y'all, I wouldn't have nobody watching me. So I'm grateful to you guys, and I hope you guys have been blessed. And I ask God to please bless you and your families and meet y'all every need in the name of Jesus. Okay? So if y'all haven't subscribed to my channel, y'all go ahead and subscribe. Hit the notification bell. Every time I upload, you guys will know. You'll be the first to know when I upload. So go ahead and hit that bell so y'all know when you got Makeup by Kwanzaa has posted something. So like I said, I'm gonna be trying to do shorts and everything. I want to interact with you guys more. If y'all haven't followed me on TikTok, Instagram, my Facebook makeup page, Makeup by Kwanzaa. I'm Makeup by Kwanzaa on all platforms. You guys, y'all come follow me. You know, so I want people to follow me so we can interact and so we can do some fun things. Okay, I am trying to get there. So y'all follow me on them platforms. If y'all let me know, I'm gonna follow back. On my Instagram, I'll put it private. But if you guys let me know, hey Kwanzaa, I'm trying to follow you. I'm from TikTok. I'm from YouTube. I'm from whatever. Just let me know I'm trying to follow you. So let me know, like hit me up and let me know if I haven't seen it, okay? And we're going to get that together. So baby, look at these nails. They are coming out gorge. Okay? But y'all, how many of y'all, like when y'all break one nail, it's like, well, if you're doing your own nails, if you break one nail, like you want to take all of them off. And that's how I feel, because I do a lot, you guys, because I do t-shirts. I do a lot of sublimation. I do mugs and stuff like that. I just be doing all kind of crafts. And I broke my pinky. And I'm looking at these nails right now as we speak, because I want to take it off. But you know what? I'm not. I'm just going to go ahead on and probably do another look with you guys. Coming up, whenever I do this, I'm going to take and do this, fix this nail. And probably do another design or something with you guys. Recording it so y'all can see me doing it. That's what I think I'm going to do. But sometimes when I break a nail, baby, I just want to take it all off and just like let it rest for a little while and then go back and do me a new set. How many of y'all like to do that? Because that's what I be doing. So y'all look at that. Oh, it's so pretty. I use Poochie's Nails top coat. Okay. And I use the Glamour Nail Supply Glamour gel glue for my rhinestones. So that's what I'm showing you guys. Y'all look at that. Oh, they came out so nice. I love this set. I still have them on. And like I said, I did break my pinky from doing too much. But I'm going to fix it. I'm probably going to record another look with you guys. Y'all will be the first to know because I will post the video and let you guys know. So I want to thank y'all for watching this video. Thank y'all for everybody who's been watching my videos. I really appreciate it. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Okay. So remember, walk in love because Jesus is love. And if you love Jesus, you're definitely walking in love too. And if you guys like videos like this, y'all give me a big old thumbs up, like, and please comment so that I know what content that y'all want to see from me. Makeup by Kwanzaa. We're going to be doing some things on this channel. Y'all be blessed, okay?